Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Baking Secrets by Anna. In today's video we are going to make banoffee pie. It's so simple to make and so delicious, so let's get started. Firstly, we are going to start with a cookie base. In a mini chopper you will add your cookies until they are completely crumbed. Add your melted butter into your cookies and mix until the consistency looks like wet sand. Now pour your biscuit mixture into the tin. I am using an 8-inch glass pie tin. Using a spoon, press the cookies to create the base of our pie. Also press some of the cookies onto the sides. In a glass microwave-safe bowl, you will add your dulce de leche, salt, and vanilla. You will mix this using a spatula till everything is well combined, and then microwave it for about 1 minute until your mixture is nicely melted. Now our dulce de leche mixture is nice and smooth, and you will pour it into your tart. Smooth it out on top using your spatula and let it to the side. Now I'm going to take a couple of bananas and take the peel off. I'm going to cut my bananas into thin, round slices. Now I'm going to put the bananas on top. Press the bananas to stick to the dulce de leche mixture. Now let's prepare our whipped cream. In a bowl you will add your cream, icing sugar, and vanilla extract. You mix this using a hand mixer for about 1 to 2 minutes until stiff peaks. Our whipped cream is ready. You will pour it on top of your tart and then create some waves on top. To make our pie even prettier, I'm going to dust some cocoa powder on top. Now you're going to chew your pie for 2 to 3 hours until set. Our no-bake banoffee pie is ready. You can find all of the tools I use in the description box below. Thank you for watching guys, hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next week's video.